Thank you for tuning into the North Main Minute. I'm Joshua Doby. Big item calendar-wise as we get closer to the end of the year, and by the way, we're in the fourth quarter. I know, sounds crazy to me too, but we already are in the fourth quarter, so we start thinking about year-end kinds of things. Tax planning, charitable giving, those things which are calendar specific, we want to make sure that they're on your radar screen as you're thinking about them so that you can do perhaps some pre-planning or begin to get the wheels in motion. We're talking about tax planning first. So when we're looking at what's going to transpire here before the end of the year, we're also looking back at what has happened in the earlier parts of the year. Perhaps you have some gains that you'd like to claim. Perhaps you have some losses that you'd like to claim. Perhaps you'd like to move some things around so that they offset one another. That's a popular tax planning strategy if you have opportunity to marry up some losses and gains so that you can reduce your overall tax bill. There are a number of different options out there. I'm not even talking about charity in this particular segment, but charity is another big one as well. Calendar specific, also some opportunity if you desire, especially if you have a retirement account over the age of 70 and a half. A lot of giving possibilities there that we'll talk about in another segment. But speaking specifically to tax planning, you want to make sure that you have your trades executed or your transactions finalized before the end of the year. That's a very big deal. We got to get it into this calendar year in order for it to be applicable to this tax year, to be able to put it on your 1040 come April of next year. So very, very important to keep that kind of thing in mind and to be sensitive to the timing aspect of things. If we don't do it before the end of the year, it's not going to apply to this year and it will apply to the following calendar year. If you'd like to get together with us at North Main Financial Group, perhaps even in concert with your accountant or CPA to take a look at what your tax strategy, tax possibilities are, looking at gains, looking at losses, are there ways in which we can put some things together in order to be more advantageous to your tax planning before the year end? We'd love to hear from you. NorthMainFinancial.com.